Hi folks, Big Sal here, Guaranty RV. Today we're going to be looking at this Coachmen Apex. It's a 185 bunkhouse unit. It's on a single axle. It weighs, dry weight's just at 3,033 pounds. So a small pickup, a smaller SUV could tow this pretty easily. It's got the diamond plate up front here. It's got nice pass-through storage. It is on a single axle, so it's going to be nice and easy to tow because it's so lightweight. It does have a huge pass-through storage under here. It is solar ready. Does have a nice big power awning out here with outdoor speakers. Let's take a look inside. This is a cool little bunkhouse unit. Now this unit, it doesn't have a slide, but it makes great use of the space. So you got your bunks here, nice little dinette. You got a 2-burner cooktop, a nice double sink here. You got your bed in the back, and then back in here is your bathroom. You've got a nice little shower. You got a couple vents in here. You got a little skylight in the shower to give you a little more space. This is a really cool unit for that young family just getting started out in the RV world. We've got it on sale here. It's a great unit. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here in Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.